Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I've upgraded the stock motors of the Happymodel Mobula 7 with the 1102 10,000 kV motors of the Mobula 7 HD. Now the reason you're only seeing my motorless Mobula 7 HD and not the Mobula 7 is because unfortunately on the first flight of the upgrade Mobula 7 I crashed it into a very tall tree and it is still stuck at the top. I still hope I will be able to recover it, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to do my best to get new motors for the Mobula 7 HD because I still want to test it with the new canopy. Regarding the upgrade, it adds about 4 grams to the total weight of the Mobula 7, and even though I only flew it once, I can tell you that the Mobula 7 feels extremely powerful using the 1102 10,000 kV motors, and these motors are also pretty efficient, so you can expect getting about 3.5 minutes of flight time using two 300 mAh 1S LiPo batteries. Now I'm going to show you the flight footage and also some of my rescue attempts. I hope you will enjoy this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos and goodbye.